going to review BLS for the healthcare provider for the pediatric patient, for the child. Let's take a look at those skill steps now. First, establish unresponsiveness. Next, look for breathing for about 5 seconds. If this child is not breathing, immediately call a code, get some help coming. Now, in healthcare provider, to rescuer BLS for the child, our compression to ventilation ratio is 15:2. You're going to provide 15 compressions, then provide 2 ventilations of air. We're still going to attach this child to an AED to see maybe if they are in a shockable rhythm. Let's take a look and see what those skills look like, shall we? Hey kid, you okay? This kid's unresponsive. He's not breathing. Nurse, call a code. Hey, this kid doesn't have a pulse. Hey, get over here with that AED. I'm starting compressions. And go right to 15:2.
Place electrodes.
The AED's here.
Place electrodes.
Pads on him.
Place electrodes. Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm. Do not touch patient. Analyzing rhythm. Check pulse. If no pulse, give CPR.
This kid's got no pulse.